name is John. My name is Tony. I want to thank you for contacting Tameron Hyundai on the 2015 Veloster. I have one here shown in white. Veloster has alloy wheels. Inside here, this particular one here, we have the black leather with the cloth interior. On the steering wheel, you're going to have the capability for Bluetooth, stereo controls. Also, you have cruise control. You also have a touchscreen stereo system. You have this one here is a manual with the 6-speed manual. It comes in an automatic also. Back here in the back, the Veloster has a backup camera, which is shown here. It is a hatchback, which gives you plenty of space. You can also fold down the seats to give you more interior space should you need it. One great thing about the Veloster is it's a very unique car. It has a hidden third door, which is here, giving you plenty of room to access the back seat for child seats and passenger. Once again, this is a 2015 Veloster shown in white with alloy wheels, manual with the touchscreen stereo system on it. Hyundai gives you a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. But we here at Tameron Hyundai goes the extra mile. We give you another 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty.